Nana.
Yes, Henry.
Anopemin Saninchi Fubium, Namenka. Over the weekend, I had the opportunity to meet in some NP from Oye Stonebwoy, ni past rants or one radio station to Shatta Wale.
But Stonebwoy hasn't spoken about this
past
Abeka issue
yes,
at all.
past rants be anna stations be wasan wari surface, wari surface na ochana yuzi often ne brother Oye Shatta Wale kwana Oye ofado no ke kanan some osro na de no de na mame kraze fra. Then I had to go to listen to the Shatta Wale kind was stage. It was in bad taste on your 1. 2. The kind of wire commenter on your 1, on your 2, otasi from Shatta Wale. And I think we as a society.
But I don't know why Stonebwoy chose not to go for that event. And that's what made Mama Kamadi. That is what Shatta Wale has a problem with. He thinks that they are big stars. Wanna be now they are claiming to be king of whatever. If there's a show like that, ono bet me back 9. Na ono Shatta about 2. And now ono Shatta beba 9. Na Stonebwoy about 2 because of fans. Na ya announce some me no beba no mabego. But Stonebwoy chose not to come. And only ya on says Stonebwoy called Onua, organizers and says Shatta was so there and your he chose to go to the other one and not the one that Shatta was.
But the other one, Shatta appeared on it. They
invited Stonebwoy for 2 events. 2. Shatta was invited for 1.
For 1.
And 1, no, not Stonebwoy was supposed to be part of it. The Shatta was on 1.
The other one now.
Nana, I'm passionate. How can free organizers?
Remember.
Oh, Shatta Wale himself said it.
Probably it might not be entirely true.
Well, but Shatta Wale, I'm saying
because from Shatta Wale he can also say something. I'll bet me the Stonebwoy anymore.
Yeah, I'm saying, but why didn't he? Was it true to say?
At his own discretion.
Nana,
no, a BSP or my shama it will try.
Oh, no, said that music awards.
I am thinking, say, Stonebwoy doesn't want.
No, but that issue has been resolved.
Another episode.
Are we saying? I stand to be corrected, but are we saying they've not met on any other platform?
Oh,
the other platform. The other.
Oh, if you almost organizing rap battle be a mummy, no, a Shatta Wale Ukraine car.
Rap battle between Shatta and Stonebwoy.
Yes, there was a project. I remember there was a program. Yeah, there was a program. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. But yeah, what I'm saying is that Oye in the purview of Oye Stonebwoy on another home. And now you see, say it's a communique now. All that while no, not Stonebwoy and was not the face of the project. Just less than 24 hours to the event, and I was what the Shatta Wale account. Whether Stonebwoy no be free no somebody because I mean who yet one for me facing the project and last minute one for being here. But whether that was the reasoning to Stonebwoy one bar, that is not my issue. My issue is why as a nation, yats no persistently. Share, me read Disability for one Act, section 37 main for more.
All right.
Now. Those are Persons with Disability Act 2006 Act 715. Now, Echo Oil Section 37. This is what it says. 37. Okay. Yes. Also, 37 1.
The rap battle was in May 2022. 15th May 2022.
Yes, so that's correct.
The incident that happened.
Yeah. Now, Shatta Wale won that car. He won that maiden edition.
Also, 37. Derogatory names. 1. A person shall not call a person with disability derogatory names because of the disability of the person. A person who contravenes subsection 1 commits an offense and is liable to summary conviction to a fine not exceeding 50 penalty units or to a term of imprisonment not exceeding 3 months or both.
And Mr. Arno was referring to, but Shatta Wale honestly didn't mention anybody's name.
Essay.
Consent here, no, Mary.
Not this. No, not this. Not this. This one, Umpo. I mean, me feel that he was mimicking. Remember, he was mimicking.
Quick one. One more, do you know? What's the animal? So say let's say it is referring to Stonebwoy.
Oh,
I don't want us to even go there.
Yes, so there's an inference.
This one,
he's done that before.
This one, this one, people are saying, Oya Akowa. There's this guy, Oya Skate. or a skiterian ne type
Yeah.
people are even referring to that. But there are videos from Friday through to yesterday. Shatta Wale insulting Stonebwoy using the disability. I don't want us to play that video.
No.
There are videos, so I'm not even talking about this video, which his name was not mentioned. I'm talking about videos of Shatta Wale, what Stonebwoy isn't, other disabilities are soon. We don't have to repeat those words. But you see, Shatta Wale, Odzagorpa, or Yobia, like Ojo, he has that sense of sense of humor.
Yes.
But he should know the limit. Odri baby one, he can be so humorous, but nenyim no inchede or a humor. And why too serious? In tebe feel that small is serious, but everything na ori impasero. But he should realize that in society ni woman in Zambia no, it should end at a certain point because so otra then a infringe on obini or found. That is what he's been doing, and I feel strongly.
Say Shatta so say my friend boy na abu. Otu we musi na no so.
Very good.
No crowd ya bonyo boy na abu boy na.
Also a disability.
Na no so a disability. Na no so a disability.
Akwa beto hwe na nya disability.
Shatta so a disability. Shatta so a disability.
Which part of the disability act? It is not a disability. No, it is never a disability.
Physically.
It is never
vertically.
No, but Shatta Wale na no so a disability.
But you see, Shatta Wale very funny.
Now I no so a disability.
One no so no obi anu.
Who did not tell
No obi anu so aswe. How is that supposed to be a disability?
Sexy mouth like my own. My own is very.
No, I don't say that disability. No, I don't say
who did not tell me disability?
You see how Shatta sentence. That was what Shatta did.
That's a disability.
Or sending a video.
No, catch us and I know so no. I said no catch the
Benabu yasem ketwa.
Now I know so. Like we are not so that disability.
Benabu.
We are not so that disability.
Shatta we na no so na the nice truck. The nice fiam did that them.
The disability. A disability.
Very big disability.
No, how?
Shatta very big disability.
No, disability. Okay, we are disability.
He has another disability.
Nana Kwame they act now toward Amu. 37.
Hold on. Nana, continue.
He has another disability down
there. Where's Ali?
The west to the down.
Wow.
Where you nick me? Na Shatta debi aso around those. Debi aso around chances many a boxer no send to auto pa
another one nipa ba kwa yeka se bi o disability e wo you feel ha e ya friend techimensa
okay sign
o say
na o say why the conversation
o jo ron kwa dey wakwa register 85% na you ba no
but
you cannot say that Shatta Wale has no disability.
No, that's how he feels slighted.
No, Shatta has come out to say that.
Or a disability.
Yeah, us no. What is an hour no.
Disability now.
He says or any disability.
That is madness.
Madness saying.
That is madness. When you tell me someone knows what a disability, no be that. God has
another girl bebemia. Na say what say Nanaya? You think it's right?
It is never a disability.
Who told you?
It is never a disability.
You know
God in his own wisdom created short people like your type.
The same God created
God in his own wisdom created short people like your type. Now on your short.
And now to say disability.
Now me say me watch it. Na me so me why? To me case so me obi so why? To say yeah came. Obi case obi 10 years na say attempt. It is never an insult. How is that supposed to be an insult? Because of 10 years, how is that supposed to be an insult?
It depends on how
you see
the tone. Is there an insult?
Debbie. Also, there's a history behind the 10 years.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And that history makes it derogatory. But you see, so I think let's get to the act and find out what the act says when in terms of disability or ebenazi. I think that would even settle the issue. Say, let me see because
Mama wish birthday why you look for it.
Okay.
Abigail ya Pokuya Tete. Abigail ya Pokuya Tete, aka Chantel. And ewa woda if you honorable Asie Duho and the buy Abigail. Happy birthday to you. Ewa.
Maybe.
Find it for me when you say disabled or disability. Because obi or your fridge to disability.
Yeah.
No. There are exceptional cases to that.
Oh, fridge.
Any disability.
What do you mean by one?
Disability? It is never a disability.
It is.
How is that supposed to be a disability?
How are you describing me?
You are a short woman.
Who says somebody?
I'm a tall guy.
Who says somebody in Talantala you can't do anything? Have you seen Talantala?
Oh, one Joby.
No, it's very early in the morning.
Oh, one Joby.
It's very early in the morning.
Oh, one Joby. And no Peter, maybe they are not in the job. Oh, one channel. Oh, one Peter.
I didn't change.
Oh, one Peter.
Oh, yeah.
You know, if you are short, it doesn't mean every part of your body is short. If you are short, it doesn't mean every part of your body is short.
They mock me with my leg.
Which one?
Shut down on boys here. I'm acting.
Oh, shit, say.
What was it? Me 37.
Can you imagine?
Oh,
can you imagine? Obi am Facebook.
Oh, Charlie. Charlie.
Kwame is mocking me. Kwame is mocking me.
Producers no so know.
Kwame is mocking me this morning.
What are you telling us? What's the difference between the two?
It's so
you are far taller than even Peter.
Yes,
and a boy no so share green now. I didn't know the other guy.
Oh, you're far taller than Peter.
You people are nonsense people.
Yeah, just imagine.
Harry,
look at this. Look at this. It's not a clear test case.
No, but wait, you. One more for.
Wow, ni ya ka. Also, wo tie di. Na disability.
Edina wayo sine wa mo ekeka.
Yeah.
One full flight. Don't let it kind of some on cry on full flight but wayo sine the other one. One full flight e kwa blochi. One more air hostess aba. Wa ba ya nkola buki. Na wa brand baako.
Na say dey no ma.
Wankasa. What wa fast pa, nkola spa ibe. Wasa dey brand.
Say no ma.
Wankahwe. Was it dey twa ne nsuru mu kura ne say, wo mo chiche aduane no. No wa fa nkola aduane dey brand.
So normal. It is up to you to prove say on akola.
This one is an abuse on this person.
Yeah.
How?
Because in his passport it shows he's above 30.
Yeah.
You didn't look at the passport. You see his disability.
Yes. You prove beyond reasonable doubt. You have your passport. If your passport nature no dey ade ba ko aba wan kan ho hwe. Or the menu aba wan kan ho hwe. I don't know if I'm yourself ama.
Who fa me say? Papa we yeah. A short person is a disabled person.
How is that supposed to be a disabled person?
Because
are you telling me that is a disabled person?
Who has mentioned another same here?
He's a short man.
Who has mentioned another?
There's evidence that he's a short man.
I am short. I'm talking about myself.
Are you a disabled man?
I'm talking about myself.
Are you a disabled woman?
Yes, I'm short.
Are you a disabled woman?
I'm vertically challenged.
What is he telling me?
I'm vertically challenged.
What is this woman telling me?
I say another is
I've not mentioned anybody's name. Why are you mentioning that?
It is evidence. It is everywhere that.
Kasanya na pay mo kasanya. Bemon president in the bodyguard na mo pa dia na me no kure ni ya na ahomte. Da bia me tietia bodyguard na so kwanche kaka wa adwe no. Oh, ma uso ahwe. Do you know how they call those who are fat? Do you know the name they give them? Do you know the name? Obolo.
Now, no, you bulla are disabled. Oh, you're slim, are you disabled?
Obolo any disability.
Now,
Naka, we are slim here, say ya unim say disability.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Yeah,